Hello everybody, it's me Lynn. Welcome to my good little garden. Yep, I'm a fright mess today because I've been working down here. I have been hanging my grow lights. Not exactly like I wanted. Still needs some adjustments. Cut the chain wrong length as usual. That's me. But that's okay because I can get some more chain because I need more chain anyway to do the little ones to do the other lights in my little greenhouse. I need them down farther out here, and of course I cut it too short. That's who I am. So it seems to me after I get this second one hung, I can come back and show you how they are and exactly what I'm going to do to pull them closer together. Now, I'm being pretty close, pretty careful opening up this light. That's how I cut it. Of course, one, so the light don't get ruined. And two, because I think this here thing, I know it's not a gutter, but it's a little plastic trough. And I think I'm going to use this plastic trough to put some peas in it. And I can get my peas ready to be put outside. I'm just not convinced they're going to come out. So I may line it with a piece of plastic as well so I can tug on the plastic on each end to get it out. I finally got the grow light out. Sometimes I'm telling you, things aren't easy. So see, as I was saying, let me put you up a little bit. I like a little gutter, but not really. But why not reuse? It's a little flimsy, but that's okay. I'm going to cut the ends off each side, line this with plastic, and fill it with dirt. And I'm going to use this for my bees, but I'll show you that when that happens. Right now I got my light here. This is the lights my brother-in-law gave me. I'm thrilled because now I can get my brassicas out of the little greenhouse because they don't need to be in there. Because they like the cold. So I'm going to plug this in now and hang it up. It's not perfect, but it's done. There you go. Now my little brassicas have a nice little home away from the heat. My cellar down here does stay pretty cool right now, because it's still cold outside. But they'll be outside soon enough. I did put them up on extra trays to lift them, get more light. Put them together a little wonky, but as long as it works. Pulled the zip tie too tight. Oh well. But they're on their way, well into being healthy little plants. So I'm gonna leave my little teenagers now, as I would call them, or toddlers, let them to grow. And next I have to do, which is way too late to be done, look at these things. This should not be planted. This should just be planted. How big they're getting. And look at all of them I have. Way too many. I don't know who's gonna take these, but I'm gonna have them. If nobody wants them, I'll put them out front for free. Somebody will take them. So now we're gonna get on with potting them on, but that's another video, another time. Thanks for coming, guys, watching me in my little escapades micro lights. Once again, thanks Louie, thanks Robert. Bye bye.